Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to Zilka's Favorites. Today we will start the second part of figurative language. As in previous class I have already explained types of figurative language. The types of figurative language are I shampoo, that stands for I for idiom, S for simile, H for hyperbole, A for alliteration, M for metaphor, P for personification, O for onomatopoeia and O for oxymoron. As in previous class we discussed about idiom. Today we will discuss about simile and metaphor because they are related. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. So we will start with simile. A simile is a figurative speech that is used to compare objects by using words as or like. Actually, it's a comparison of two things. For example, as tall as a giraffe. Now I have more examples about simile. Here, the grandpa is compared with the turtle with the word as due to the slow speed. My grandpa walks as slow as a turtle. Now here, the pizza is compared with the ice due to the cold temperature with the word as. This pizza is as cold as ice. Now here, my dog is as smelly as dirty socks. The dog is compared with the dirty socks due to the smell. Now here, these are telling about the qualities of rabbit, mouse and swan with the other things. For example, as quiet as a mouse, as timid as a rabbit, as graceful as a swan. Now let's see upon the metaphor. A metaphor is a figure of speech that compares one thing to another thing without using as or like. It's also a comparison in which one thing is said to be another. For example, my mom is a teddy bear. Here they are not using like because they are not talking about simile, they are talking about metaphor. Now here I have some examples of metaphor. He was a walking encyclopedia. Life is a curly slide. She is a walking dictionary. Now we will compare simile and metaphor. Simile, a comparison of two different things using the words like or as. Here metaphor, a comparison of two different things that does not use the word like or as. Here, for example of simile, on her first day of school, Jane was as cold as a cucumber. Here, an example of a metaphor. Noah has a heart of a lion. Now here, we will discuss about the comparison of simile and metaphor. Here, the fat boy is saying to the skinny boy that you are as skinny as a rail. Here, this sentence is an example of simile because as is used. And here the skinny boy is saying to the fat boy that you are a mountain. This sentence is an example of a metaphor because as or like is not used. Let's see on the next picture. Here it's written, life is like a roller coaster and life is a roller coaster. Here they are telling about two sentences. Here the first sentence, life is like a roller coaster, is an example of simile because like is used. And on the next sentence, life is a roller coaster, it's not an example of simile because no like or as is used. Now we will end our presentation here. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. We will meet you next week. Allah Hafiz.